You might as well go ahead and stay, baby. You might as well go ahead and stay.
Okay, today I'm just doing a quick revamp sesh with exaggerated baby hairs. So what I like to do first is pull out all the hairs I like to achieve the look with and comb any flyaways back so I could get a really sharp look. You want to make sure you're being really precise with it because you don't want to pull too much out or too little for the exaggerated look. And then once I do that for the whole perimeter of the frontal. Also, can we just recognize how good I bleached these knots? I've had this unit for just a few months and it's still sitting pretty. So ladies, if you want to switch your wigs to make him feel like he cheating, but your ass on a budget, all you gotta do is revamp and restyle and you're good. I'm not doing the ball cap method just because I don't plan on keeping this unit in for too long. But if you want a tutorial on that, I could show you in another video. Ball cap method just gives you a more natural look. But this is for the girls who like their units off as soon as they clock out at the end of the day. Or for the girlies who just lives for the switch up. But once you fit it to your head, I use Wonderbond and Wonder Spritz to glue my frontal down and make any further adjustments that's needed. I had pulled out some baby hairs already but didn't like how they looked once it was on my head, so I went ahead and made some adjustment to where it actually fits my face. Look at that. Lace wear, baby. Lace wear. Like I said with the ball cap method, if you plan on keeping this wig in for a while, you might want to use that method just because you wouldn't be able to see the ball cap. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Since I'm going for the exaggerated baby hair look, I pulled out more hair than I normally would. So I'll go with some tweezers just to pluck just a little bit. Don't go too crazy because that method will make your cap bald for real. Now at this point, I go ahead and put my lace band on just to give it some time to melt and flatten some more while I cut the baby hairs to my liking. So now I'm just flat ironing my hair just so I could get that uniform look when I go ahead and start applying product to my baby hairs to lay it down. I use Nairobi just to lay my baby hairs down just because it's really light and it doesn't leave like a product residue over it. Sometimes I may use a gel or a edge control, but sometimes I just don't like how stiff it makes the baby hairs look. So yeah, I just go in with some mousse or like I said, Lolly Body. All the products that I'm using, I will go ahead and drop in the description below. But if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I use it, I can make that in another video. Now, this part is really time-consuming because you want to go ahead and take your time and lay it how you would like it to look. Sometimes you may have to add more hair or push more hair back. Don't worry about the ball cap showing because you're going to just add makeup or, foundation, concealer, just so it could blend out and match your skin tone. I got this unit from one of the vendors I've been trying out, and I love it. This is probably my second or third unit from them. This is 180% density, 13x6 frontal, so it's really spacious for any type of style you would want. Also, I didn't clip the back yet just because it's really tight, so I clip it at the end when I'm done styling. So no, I don't just be walking around with a clip on the back of my head, okay? If I don't want it, sometimes I'll cut it off. But this unit, I just clip it at the end. Now to wrap it up, I put my lace band on just to lay everything down. Once again, I let it dry up while I'm doing my makeup or picking out my outfit, taking a shower, anything. And once I take that lace band off, I just finish it up with the final touches of concealer or foundation. And that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next in the future.